Once upon a time, in a colorful land full of adventure, three brave and quirky birds, Red, Chuck, and Bomb, found themselves in a mighty mess. Their precious golden egg was missing, and worse, the mischievous giant green pig king had taken it. Will they save the egg and outsmart the giant pig? Let's find out. The valley was alive with chirping birds, colorful trees, and a sparkling stream. Red stood on a rock, showing little birds how to flap their wings. Chuck zoomed in, leaving a trail of dust and skidding to a stop. Red. The golden egg is gone. Chuck yelled, eyes wide with panic. Red gasped, his feathers bristling. The pigs again, he growled. Bomb waddled over, curious. What's all the fuss? He asked. We must get the egg back, Red declared. The birds nodded. The birds packed slingshots, seeds, and a map to Piggy Island. The birds waved goodbye to the valley and started their journey. This is going to be fun, Chuck said, flapping his wings. The nest was empty, except for a single golden feather. The pigs sneaked in during the night, carrying the egg in a balloon. We'll show those pigs, Red said, puffing out his chest. Let's zoom, Chuck shouted, running in circles. Bomb took a deep breath. Let's make a plan first, he said. Red spread out the map. Piggy Island is far, but we'll make it. We'll cross the river, the forest, and the cactus field, Red explained. Let's go already, Chuck shouted, bouncing around. The birds double-checked their supplies and slingshot. Adventure awaits, Red said, leading the way. The birds hopped across lily pads, dodging snapping fish. Chuck zoomed across, leaving ripples on the water. Bomb slipped and fell into the river with a big splash. The forest was dark and filled with strange noises. Did you hear that? Chuck whispered, hiding behind Red. It's just the wind, Bomb said, rolling ahead. The birds faced a field of giant cacti with sharp needles. Chuck found a narrow path, but it was tricky to navigate. Bomb accidentally exploded, clearing a path. The birds saw the island in the distance. We are almost there, Red said. The birds reached Piggy Island and saw the pig's fortress. It was tall, rickety, and made of junk. Helmet-wearing pigs patrolled the fortress walls, snorting and laughing. We need to find a weak spot, Red said, scanning the fortress. I can sneak in super fast, Chuck boasted, bouncing on his feet. Let's use the slingshot to get inside, Bomb suggested. The birds assembled their giant slingshot from tree branches and vines. The pigs spotted the slingshot and started panicking. They're coming, one squealed. I'll go first, Red said, climbing into the slingshot. Red soared through the air, crashing into the fortress wall. Boom! The fortress wobbled but didn't fall. We'll need more hits, Red shouted. Chuck launched next, zooming straight through a wooden window. Chuck landed in a pile of hay. I'm in, he whispered. Bomb launched himself and crashed through the main gate, creating a big hole. Stick together, Red shouted as the team regrouped inside. Helmeted pigs charged at them, snorting loudly. Chuck zoomed around, tying the pigs' tails together. Bomb rolled into a group of pigs and exploded, scattering them. Red spotted a staircase leading up to the golden egg. This way, he called. A group of pigs blocked the stairs, snorting defiantly. The birds worked together to clear the path. The stairs were theirs. The golden egg sat on a glowing pedestal in the middle of the room. "We've got to be careful," Red whispered, stepping closer. Chuck darted forward. "Let's grab it," he said, almost knocking it over. As soon as Red touched the egg, an alarm blared. "Oh no!" The Pig King stormed in, looking furious. "You won't take my egg." The birds grabbed the egg and ran, with the Pig King close behind. Chuck threw a banana peel on the floor. The Pig King slipped and fell. The birds raced toward the fortress gate, the Pig King recovering behind them. Bomb turned back and exploded, collapsing the gate behind them. The birds flew out of the fortress, cheering. They had the egg. The Pig King chased them in a giant hot air balloon. Chuck flew up and stuck out his tongue. "You can't catch us." The balloon launched pies at the birds. "We need to pop that balloon," Red shouted. Chuck zoomed around the balloon, distracting the Pig King. Bomb launched himself at the balloon, popping it with a big boom. The Pig King tumbled into the mud below, splashing everywhere. "We did it!" Red cheered as the birds flew home. "I'll get you next time," the Pig King muttered, stuck in the mud. The birds soared over the ocean, happy and proud. The birds landed in Feather Valley, greeted by cheers. Red carefully placed the golden egg back in its nest. "We are the best team ever," Chuck shouted, dancing. Bomb smiled. "We couldn't have done it without teamwork. Together, we can do anything," Red said, puffing out his chest. The golden egg glowed, lighting up the valley with warmth. "Next time, let's just keep a better watch," Chuck joked. The birds settled down for a peaceful evening. Far away, the Pig King sat in his broken balloon, plotting. The golden egg was safe, and the birds were happy once more. After a wild and wacky chase, our feathered friends finally outsmarted the giant green Pig King, saved the golden egg, and returned to their cozy nest. They learned that together, they could overcome anything, even the biggest challenges. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel for more wonderful stories.